Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Very good afternoon, children. So let us start with our class. Today we shall do some exercise problems. Okay.
Page number
Page
103.
number 103. 103. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
And in the last period, we have discussed about different types of triangles and all. So there are some questions based on the triangles in exercise 5.6 in your text 103, page number 103. Okay, take it. All of you switch on the video, children. I'll be asking you one by one. I'll be asking you the questions. So you have to answer. So please switch on your videos, all of you.
We need to
The
write the
video
answer.
is off. I won't give attendance.
We need to write the answers.
Yeah, write the answers in the text itself. Okay. In the text itself, you can answer it with
Ma'am,
pencil.
can you say the page number?
103, page 103. This one.
Exercise 5.6.
Yeah. Exercise 1.6. The page is there on the screen. Okay.
Name type of.
You can write with pencil. Okay, write with pencil. If it goes wrong, you can rub it and write. No, so write it with pencil. Children, okay, don't shout out the answer. I'll be calling one by one and asking to answer. Okay, yeah. Vaiga Shirin, first one.
Yes,
The triangle with a length of sides 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and 9 centimeter means what type of triangle it is. The question is name the type of the following triangles. So you have to name it. See, what are the lengths given?
Scalene triangle, ma'am.
Ah, very good. So we can write it as
Scalene
scalene
triangle, ma'am.
triangle. Scalene triangle. Right there with pencil.
Ma'am, should we write the question?
No, just to write it in the text, you can fill it. Okay. Against the question, you can write scalene.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Angelina. Next question is to Angelina.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. B. A triangle with AB 8.7, AC is this, and a BC is 6 centimeter. What is it? What type of triangle it is?
Ma'am? Ma'am, second question.
What type of triangle it is?
Ma'am, in
All the three sides are
cosecant triangle.
different, you know? All the three triangles, all the three sides are
And
different,
selling
right?
triangle. Selling.
Scalene. So we can say that is also a scalene
Selling triangle.
triangle. Okay. Yes, Ephraim Joby. Ephraim, hello. Ephraim Joby, are you listening? He's getting ready, I think. Ananda. Ananda Krishnan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, third one. What can you say about third triangle? Third question. Triangle PQR such that PQ is equal to QR is equal to PR is equal to 5 centimeters. What type of triangle it is?
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
Read. C.
Ma'am, triangle PQR such that PQ is QR. That question.
All the three sides are
This
equal.
C1.
What type of triangle it is?
Ma'am, Daniel. Ma'am, Daniel.
Ananda, there is any answer for you?
Ma'am, equivalent.
Yes. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Isn't it? All the three sides are equal. So you can say equilateral triangle. Okay. Triangle with a DEF with one angle M, angle D. Angle D is equal to 90 degree. Okay. Krishna, what kind of triangle it is?
Rectangle.
Right angled triangle.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon. Right angled triangle. Right there, right angled triangle.
Ma'am, is it exercise?
Next one.
Yes.
Yes, yes, in the text.
Okay.
Yes.
A, T,
Next question. Triangle XYZ with angle M is equal to 90
Ma'am,
degrees.
we should do it in the
And
textbook.
yeah, textbook it is. Okay, Anina, tell me the answer. Anina, E. Question number E. Triangle XYZ with one angle 90 degree and XY is equal to YZ.
Can I?
Okay, Pooja. What type of triangle it is? E. Right angled. It is one more type based on sides. What can you say?
Ma'am, right angle.
Right angled as well as it is two sides are equal, no? So
Yes,
we can
ma'am.
say it is isosceles also.
Isosceles.
So right angled,
Right
isosceles, right angled triangle, isn't it? So we can write isosceles, right angled triangle. Okay, isosceles, right angled triangle. Isosceles, right angled triangle. Now what about the next one? Sienna Jaffer? F.
Yes, ma'am.
F. This
Acute
question.
angle triangle.
One angle, okay, all the three are different, isn't it? And less than 90, all angles are less than 90, 30 degree, 70 degree, 80 degree. So we can write acute angled triangle.
Angle triangle.
Acute angled triangle. Okay, now let us check the next set of questions.
Sharing of
Match the following. Efrain, Joby, Efrain, tell me, first one will match to three sides are equal in length. Which
ma'am,
triangle?
scalene.
Just,
Scalene, ma'am. Scalene triangle.
three
No,
sides
ma'am.
are equal in length.
No, ma'am.
I'm not scaling.
Wait, others keep quiet. Efrain, what is the answer?
Ma'am, equilateral.
Equilateral. It is equilateral triangle, isn't it? Yes. Okay, Ronita. Ronita, second one. Second one, two sides of equal length.
Ma'am, should we match it?
Yes, you can match. Two sides of equal length, what do we say? Measures of triangle where two sides are of equal length. Angeline, Relix. Angeline,
Isosceles right angle.
it is two sides are of equal length. So it comes two sides are of equal length. What we can call it?
Isosceles right angled.
Isosceles. No. Isosceles triangle only. Isosceles triangle. Simply isosceles triangle. Then all sides are of different length. Anybody can answer.
I'm scaling.
Scalene.
Yeah,
Scalene triangle.
triangle. Scalene. Match it. Okay.
My dad.
Now match it. Yes. Next question. Edwin. Edwin. Three acute angles.
Acute
All the three angles are acute angles.
acute angle.
Acute angled triangle, isn't it? Acute
Yes, ma'am.
angled triangle. Then,
One right angle.
Fia Maria, all videos are off. Who
Ma'am,
is
I
on?
can't on my video. Fia videos.
Fia, what happened? Same. No answer.
Ma'am, some
Pranav,
problems
you? Pranav, you? No answer. Abhimanyu? No answer.
No, my video is okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes,
Can I
Christo. Christo, you can answer it. One
Yes,
right
ma'am.
angle.
Right angled triangle.
Right angled triangle, isn't it? Yes. Then next
Yes, ma'am.
question, whoever is here only I can ask.
Yes,
Pranav,
ma'am.
Pranav, tell me the next one.
Obtuse angle.
Obtuse angle. One angle is obtuse angle. So we can mark it as
Angled.
obtuse angled triangle, isn't it? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Last
Pranav,
one.
answer next one. Next question, given one right angle with two sides of equal length. This one. One right angle with two sides
Ma'am,
of equal length.
Ma'am, can
Edwin,
Isosceles right angled.
isosceles
Right
right angled triangle. Isn't it? Yes. Isosceles
Yes, ma'am.
right angled triangle.
Right angle
Okay.
triangle.
Yes. Okay. Name each of the following triangles in two different ways. You have to write both based on sides as well as based on the angles. Okay. So,
Okay, ma'am.
Anushri,
Yes, ma'am.
Anushri, tell me first one.
Ma'am, isosceles.
First one. You should name the triangle according to its angle and also according to the sides.
Ma'am, two sides are equal.
Two sides are equal? Yes, two sides are equal. Then
Then one side is not equal.
equal.
And
So
for-
what type of triangle it is?
Ma'am, isosceles.
Isosceles triangle, acute angled, no?
Yes, ma'am. Isosceles.
Isosceles as well as acute angled triangle. So isosceles, acute angled triangle.
Can I tell next?
Yes. Isosceles,
Ma'am, can I-
acute angle triangle. Now, Anthony Joel. Anthony, lifted the head up. Okay, next one. This one. What type of triangle it is?
Ma'am, scalene.
Okay, scalene triangle and one more. What about the angles? How will you name it according to the angles?
Angle triangle.
Right angled triangle. Good. So it is a right angled scalene triangle, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Or you can write scalene triangle, right angled scalene triangle, right angled
Scaling.
scalene triangle. Right angled as well as it is scalene triangle. Okay. Now
Triangle.
Pranova, next one. Next one, Pranova. What type of angle it is? You can see and judge from, without measuring, you can say what type of angle it is. Acute, obtuse or right angled triangle. What it is?
Ma'am, is it obtuse?
Obtuse, because it is more than 90 degree, no? So
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
an obtuse angled triangle. And I think both sides are equal, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Acute angled as well as isosceles.
Ma'am, 7 centimeters.
Sorry, obtuse angled as well as isosceles. So you can write isosceles,
Choose isosceles.
isosceles, obtuse. Obtuse. Okay.
And can I
Done.
tell next?
Yes, Angelina Rose. Next one.
Ma'am, isosceles right.
Isosceles right angled triangle. Very good. Isosceles right angled triangle. Isosceles right angled triangle. Okay. Then next question.
Sienna.
Yeah, Sienna
Excuse me, ma'am,
Jafar.
can I tell B?
Wait,
Can I
wait,
tell
wait.
B?
No, wait. Sienna Jafar, next one. What kind of triangle it is?
Equilateral and acute angle.
Yeah, equilateral as well as acute angled triangle. is equilateral as well as acute angled, equilateral acute angled triangle. Okay. Yes. What about next? Pia, Maria? Pia.
Yes, ma'am.
Pia,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the last one? How can you write?
Ma'am, it is scalene triangle and
Ah.
also it is obtuse.
Also it is
Obtuse.
obtuse. So we can write
Yes, ma'am.
obtuse
Scalene.
angle, scalene obtuse angled triangle. Is it? Scalene obtuse
Yes, ma'am.
angled triangle. It is scalene as well as obtuse angled triangle. Correct? Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Agreed? Yes. Now we can
Yes,
pass on
ma'am.
to the next slide, which shows some, I think it is activity. Activity. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So the triangles and the types of triangles are clear to you, no? 3 types based on the sides
Yes,
as well
ma'am.
as on the angles. Very clear to you. Now we will pass on to the next one. It is an activity which you have to do. Try it yourself. Okay. Read it, children, in your mind. You have 2 set squares in your instrument box, isn't it? There are 2 set squares in your instrument box. One is of 30, 60, 90 degree. Okay, one is at 90 degree and the remaining angles will be 30, 60, etc. And the other one is one angle 90, remaining will be 45, 45 set square. Okay, 2 set square, we call it set square. Other than protractor, there are 2 more instruments in that.
Okay.
Okay, compass and ruler, you know. Compass and ruler, you know. Eraser, pencil, you know. Okay, and what else is there other than that? Compass and divider, that you know. Then it is one set square is of this degrees. One angle will be at 90 degree, other angles will be at 30 degree. Then another one which is given will be of this degrees. One angle at 90 degree and the other angle will be 45, 45.
Someone is talking Malayalam.
Children, if you are talking at home, please switch off the audio. Okay, so you got it, no, children? Take your instrument box and check whether 2 set squares are there. Take it out.
Ma'am, go to
Yeah, both you take
Yes,
out. Okay, and
plus 45
what is
and
asked?
60.
What is the activity to be done? You do it. What activity it is told? That activity you do it yourself. Both of you will have a pair of, oh, it is not, place them as shown. You have to do it with your friend only. It is not possible for you. You can imagine, but isn't it? Same type you have to join together. Same type. Same type you have to join. What? This one. You have 30, 60, 90 degree set square. Place them and shown. Both together you have to place it like this. It's not you have only one of it. So it is, if anybody is else is there, your brothers or you don't have, isn't it? So if okay, Anita,
And my sister is having.
you have 2 sets, 2 set squares. No, only one.
square, ma'am.
And my sister has, so I think it's combined.
Sister is also having. Okay, then take it. Then take it. Take it and keep it like this. Anybody is having two set squares?
Ma'am, I have with my brother.
Okay, then take it. I'll just stop share. Now, anybody is having 2? Yeah. Pranava is having, no? Just show me Pranava.
Can you see?
No, not like that. Not like that. That is 2 set squares of different measures. Same measure it will be. So you need to have from your sister. Yes, Anita. Yes, show. Anita. Yes. Just lift it up, Anita. Anina, VT, you just see what she is showing. She's showing a rectangle, no?
Yeah, I just got it.
See, when you keep both together, you will get a rectangle like that. Show it, Anina.
Can you pin her?
Yes, I will pin it up. Okay. Pin, spotlight. Yes, Anina, just show. Is she see both together? When you keep, you will get a rectangle. You should have two instrument box. Okay. Yeah, like this, isn't it? So you will get a rectangle. Now she have kept the other two, that is of 45 degree, isn't it? 90, 45, 45. That when you keep two sets together, you will get a, what is that figure called?
Square.
Square. Okay, understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
She have, I think your sisters also, isn't it? Both are there. You and she, both instrument box should be there. Two instrument box should be there.
And that's my old. Ma'am, I
Old one. Okay. Okay, so you can also do it. You can check if you pair the same type.
Two instrument box.
If you are having the same type, you can keep together. One you will get a rectangle, the other one you will get a
square.
square. Okay, yeah. Who is it? Pooja, right? Yes,
Yes,
Pooja. Pooja, just put it this side, shift it, then it will become a square. Put it properly, it will become a square. Okay, so I'm stop sharing. Now we'll pass on to that. The picture is shown in the figure. In the text. See, look at this. First, Anita got a figure like this, which was a rectangle. Okay.
It's Anina.
Anina. And then second one, she got a, if you use a pair of 45, 45, 90 degree squares, set squares, you get another quadrilateral. So what is the name of the first figure, children? I have told you four-sided figure is known as a quadrilateral. Do you know, remember it? A four-sided figure is always known as a quadrilateral. It can be anything. Quadrilateral can be anything. A square is a quadrilateral. A rectangle is a quadrilateral. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral. Rhombus is a quadrilateral. Any four-sided figure can be called as a quadrilateral. So first one, rectangle we got, that is a quadrilateral. Second one, you see, when you pair 45, 45, 90 degree set squares, you are getting a square, right? Square, this figure, square. You will get a square. Okay. So what can you say? Then if you keep in a particular arrangement, you keep both together. If you place, see this set square in a different position, you get a parallelogram. If you place the pair of, again, if you 30, 60, 90 degree set squares in a different way, you will get a parallelogram. This figure is called a parallelogram. Parallelogram. Okay. That figure is known as a parallelogram.
Parallelogram.
Say once more, parallelogram.
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 You notice the opposite sides are parallel. See, you have studied parallel lines, no? See, these two opposite sides are parallel, right? Look at this, parallel to this line. So, okay, and these two sides are parallel. In a parallelogram, we can say that opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. Okay. Then, are the opposite sides equal? Are the diagonals equal? Diagonals are equal, or what do you mean by diagonal? A line joining opposite vertices. Opposite vertices.
A line joining opposite vertices.
A line joining opposite vertices. Okay, that is known as a diagonal. Then another way, if you use 30, 60 degree, 90 degree set squares, you can form a rhombus also. Okay, using the set squares, you can form different types of figures in geometry. Understood? Now let us try to answer some questions are given. I think this one, you have to, another type, if you keep it like this, there you should have two is needed. Two set squares are needed. You will get a figure called a trapezium. A trapezium figure is like this. Actually, when we draw trapezium, it will look like this. Trapezium. Okay, trapezium. Same way you have somewhat, it is correct. Trapezium is that figure which I have shown in the on the board. Now, what are your conclusions about this? Quadrilateral, opposite sides parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. I have shown you what is a parallelogram here, isn't it? See this? These opposite sides are parallel and equal. See, opposite sides.
No diagonal.
Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Now next, what is the question? Next one, all sides are equal? No. Parallelogram, it's not equal.
No.
Opposite angles are equal. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Diagonals are.
I'm doing exercise 5.7.
No. This one. This columns.
Okay.
Okay. So next question, opposite angles are equal. Yes. Opposite angles are equal. You have to measure all these things. You have to measure and find out. Children, will you do it at home?
Yes, ma'am.
Do it as a homework.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And you fill this. Now you understood how to do, no? So
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have to understand, do it, and take your sister's box also and find it out. Okay? You have to find out yours. Now let us see. It is based on this activity. Okay, diagonals of a square are perpendicular to one another. Okay, let us take what is a perpendicular. What are perpendicular lines? Okay, this one you can answer it only after doing the activity which is said above. Okay, after this.
Okay, ma'am.
So do it yourself at home. Then next one, we pass on to what do you mean by a perpendicular? This activity also you have to do it yourself. You have to measure it and find out each angle. You have to measure it and find out and answer all these questions.
Which page?
Page it is
101.
yeah 101, correct. Page 101.
Okay, ma'am.
Measure it with the protractor and then you have to fill in. Okay, then after that you have, what did you find? What your findings you have to write here. Just fill in the blanks with that.
Okay,
Do
ma'am.
it, no? All of you will do it. Huh?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So I will be asking you what are your findings on the next day.
Ma'am, so homeworks are in the 101 and then
Yes. Two
Then
homeworks I have
okay, ma'am.
given. Yeah. Okay.
106 also.
Yes. Now I think it's time for attendance. 140 is the time, no? 140.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. There is 3.
Yo. So let me take your attendance, children.
There is 5 more minutes.
1:35 now, so 5 more
I'm
minutes.
in page number 106, it is the homework.
Yeah, just to tell other students, please tell him what is the homework given.
The 106 that the color box. Somebody's on muted. Yes, or no.
Mute. Those who have disturbance, please mute
Sorry,
it.
ma'am.
Okay. Ahil Samir. Ahil.
Ma'am,
Absent.
Absent. Abhimanyu CV. Abhimanyu. Absent.
Absent.
Aditi Ishwar.
Aditi is present.
Aditi.
But ma'am, Aditi is present, but camera and audio. Now only camera on. It's off.
Yeah, ma'am, only attendance we have, sir, video.
Ananda Krishnan was there.
Present,
Anina Niti was there. Angelina Rose was there. Angeline Relix was there. Anthony Joel Joshi was there. Anushri was there. Aromal Pradeep was there. Ayush PA. Ayush PR I didn't find. Ayush is absent.
And his camera is off.
Camera is off. He's there.
Camera is off. Oh.